Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumanth Nikam. I am from BID. I have completed my graduation in Mechanical Engineering from G.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune. Today is 20 September 2021 and our discussion topic is data types which is used in the Java. Basically there are two data types mostly used in the Java. So our first definition of the data type is that data types specifies the values and size of the variables which are used during the programming and coding in the Java language. So first is that primitive data types. Primitive data types have the specific value mentioned on these data types, which have a specific value designed by the core Java team during which is used to develop during the programming language. So there are two main types, primitive and non-primitive. Again, primitive is divided into two types. First one is that numerical data types and second one is that non-numerical data types. So first in the numerical, again it is divided into integer types and other is that also floating types. So in the integer types contains int, short, long and byte, which is have the specific values designed for the programming language. Also next is that the floating point and the floating point consists of float and double, which is have the point values, which also known as the decimal data types. So these are the mostly used in the Java programming language for various performing the various operations on the numbers. Next one is that the character values. For the character values, we will use as a character char in the data types in the Java programming language. So next is that also in the data type which size is specified already in the Java, which is boolean, which is give us to the values as true or the false as a result. So its value is not specified, but it is also called as the primitive data types. But its value changes by the JVM during allocation of the program or the execution of the program. So these are the eight data types which contains in the primitive data types. Again, these eight are we will revise shortly: int, float, long, short, byte, double, float, boolean, and characters. So these are the eight primitive data types which have specific values rather than the only expect boolean values, which gives result as a true or the false. So next is that our non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data type consists of non-primitive data types means that the data types which does not have specific values or the specific sizes mentioned earlier by the Java development team, but this value can be changed according to the user. According to the user, you can change these values. These values dependent on totally on the users. This value is not specified as like primitive data types. These are contains classes, also that interfaces. Also it consists of again arrays and also strings. So these are the primitive and non-primitive data types which are used in the Java language. Arrays and strings mostly used for the string is mostly used for the typing the names, such as the characters as like typing the names as like the name, surname, or all these things. So we can use strings. And next one is that the arrays which are used to perform the multiple operations at a single code. So it will be mostly works on the numeric values. So these are the arrays which is in uh, which are used in the non-primitive data types. So this is all about the primitive and non-primitive data types. So primitive data types also have specific values. So int contains 4 bytes, short contains 2 byte, 1 byte equal to 1 byte. Also that boolean contains 2 byte, and again float contains 8 byte. So these are the values which are specified in the primitive data types. And again, it will be used in both the data types are used combinedly, whether they are required or not. So there's and also primitive data types have the specific range. Suppose the numerator, if the numerator is an integer value, so it will have a specific range, as like it will be calculated 2 raised to uh, as something values, and up to minus plus to minus, there is the range is specified in the primitive data types. So this is all about the primitive data types, and this is all about the data types. So thank you so much.